Hey kindergarten and Sacramento Prep Year 1 teachers, I wanted to give you a little overview on Saint presentations and what they're going to look like. So the first thing that you guys are going to do, you're going to have your normal time together, pray at your prayer table, you're going to come down for worship, you're going to be doing some My Story questions about saints, then you're going to read a book about your saint, so you need to make sure that I know which saint that you guys are doing in advance or that you provide your own books that are there. Then you're going to do your Our Story questions, and then after that, you're going to be having prep time instead of exploration stations to be able to prepare for the presentation that you're about to give to several classes. And then again, you are going to present to other classes or you're going to go see other class presentations. Finally, you're going to clean up. You got some extra time there. You might be able to do some extra coloring activities or read another book on your saint. So let's go over the tour schedule for that day. These have been given to you in an email and you have them as attachments, but let's make sure that you understand them. So you are either assigned as a Class A or a Class B. Now this doesn't exactly correspond to like if you are Sacramento Prep Year 1 Class A, B, or C. We just assigned classes as A or B kind of randomly or based upon their locations. And so for this particular day, I need you to pay attention to the actual schedule that's on here and not whether you normally are Class A or Class B in your grade level. So if you are Group A, you will be going to view presentations from Group B. So if you are A, you can go to any of these B classes and watch their presentations that are on there. A's can go to B's, A's can go to B's, A's can go to B's again. And you're going to be rotating through as many classes as you possibly can within a 10-minute window. It's kind of like a science fair to where you'll be kind of walking through the classes kind of quickly. You'll sit, listen to a presentation, you'll take off, and you're going to see as many presentations as you can. Hopefully you'll be able to see 2 or 3 within that 10-minute window. And then your next time session is that you guys head back to your classrooms, and if you are watching presentations, that this is now your time to get ready to present. And if you were presenting, this is your time to clean up. So after that time has passed, if you are Group B, now you will go to presentations in Class A. So B will go to Class A, B will go to Class A, and they'll be going to see presentations from that. And if you are Class A, you are now presenting. So you're going to be giving a very short spiel to the group that is coming to see you. And then the last thing is you'll have some cleanup or transition time. So for your presentation preparation, what can you be doing? What should you be doing? So for your classes, the first thing I do need to know is I absolutely need to know what saint you are going to be doing. If you would like me to help you in any way to prepare any materials, books or crafts or coloring sheets or props or anything, if I don't know what saint you're doing, I can't help you in any way and you'll be doing the prep on your own, which is absolutely fine. Just let me know. But if you let me know what saint you have, I can help provide some crafts for you. We've got some of these pre-made booklets that all the students need to do. They'll be blank and that they can color them. This is an example of a colored one. They'll be pre-stapled and ready to go. For our first grade classes or our Sacramento Prep Year 1 classes, I'll be giving you guys a sheet like this if you would like, and you can put your saint and then you put the name, like so if you have Saint Patrick, and the kids can draw a picture of the saint, or I could have pre-printed pictures ready for you. You could say what they're the patron saint of, their feast day, some fun and interesting facts that are on there. You guys could also just make your own posters or draw on your whiteboards if you want to. You can use props. The kids can memorize lines that are there. Very short, very quick facts that are there. My saint is Saint Patrick. His feast day is da-da-da-da. He is from, France, Ireland, whatever, you guys are going to be talking about for that particular day. They're very short lines there. So what does presentation time actually look like? So if you are presenting, the idea is that your students would stand in a line at the front of the classroom and that they would have either their crafts or their presentation items that are there or their props or whatever else you guys have ready. You would have those prepped and that they're in front of the classroom. And then students would again do a very quick set of line information, just a very quick fact that they've got there on their saint. And if students are having difficulty memorizing any of the lines, the teachers could help read their paperwork, help remind them of that, or the teachers could even give the presentations and the students could just show off their posters or their crafts or anything. And then if you are visiting a class, if you will please sit on the floor or against the wall quietly and nicely and listen to the presentation. The other thing that you need to know is if you go to a class and there's already a class in there, if you would please choose a different class to rotate to, because we usually have about 4 classes presenting and 4 classes viewing, so there shouldn't be a doubling up of 2 classes viewing one presentation, because that would mean another class has nobody to present to. So just find a class that is empty, go view that presentation, enjoy it, and then rotate to a different class. Again, I need to know the saints that you have chosen as quickly as you can possibly let me know, and then let me know if I can help prepare any materials for you on the Google Drive or the materials that I have ready to go. Let me know if you want any of those printed or if you want to provide your own crafts or different things, and if there's any way I can help you. All right, guys, have fun, and we'll talk to you soon.